But what if you could take control of that data, cut costs, and send only the right information to the right tools? That's exactly what Cribl does, and here's how it works. Cribl is an observability and data routing platform. It takes in massive amounts of machine data logs, metrics, and events, and helps organizations filter it, reshape it, enrich it, and route it to wherever it needs to go. Think of Cribl as the traffic controller for all your telemetry data. Now, before we go further, a quick reminder. A SIEM, or Security Information and Event Management System, is the tool security teams use to detect threats. Examples include Splunk ES, Microsoft Sentinel, IBM QRadar, Elastic Security, and Google Chronicle. They analyze security logs and trigger alerts, but they can be expensive to feed. Most companies collect far more data than they actually need. And when you're sending every single log line into a SIEM or observability tool, your storage and ingestion costs skyrocket. Cribl solves that problem by controlling the flow of data before it hits those tools. You keep what matters and skip the noise. Cribl delivers three major capabilities. 1. Data reduction. It removes duplicates, filters out irrelevant logs, and compresses data to dramatically reduce volume. 2. Data transformation. Cribl restructures your logs, enriches fields, cleans broken formats, and normalizes data across systems. 3. Data routing. It sends your data to the right destination: SIEMs, data lakes, cloud storage, analytics tools, or all of the above simultaneously. Cribl gives you full control over where your data goes and how much it costs. Cribl's direct competitors are other observability pipeline tools, such as Datadog observability pipelines, Splunk ingest actions, Elastic's ingest pipelines, Mesmo, Honeycomb Refinery, Fluentbit, and Vector. There are also indirect competitors like New Relic, Dynatrace, Snowflake, and OpenSearch platforms that overlap in parts of the data pipeline space. Organizations choose Cribl because it gives them something most tools don't: complete control over their data pipeline. They can cut SIEM costs, improve data quality, route logs anywhere, and avoid being locked into a single vendor. Cribl delivers flexibility, visibility, and major cost savings all at once. That's Cribl in a nutshell, the data engine that powers your observability stack. If you want a deeper dive, a full PowerPoint deck, or help integrating this into your cloud onboarding training, let me know.